morning, welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Fatou, and today I'm really excited because I finally got my camera. I just received the package yesterday and I didn't open it because I wanted to open it on camera, but I've been wanting this camera for, I would say, at least 2 to 3 months, and I was trying to justify the purchase, and then I just started making a bunch of purchases, and I was like, okay, like I'm buying all of these extra things, why not invest in my craft? So yeah, let's get right into the box. Ta-da! It's the Osmo Pocket 3, and it's supposed to come with all the vlogging necessities inside, and I'm really excited to open it. So first we have this. Oh, so this is like a beautiful full leather finish, and I think it'll hold all the camera, but there's another box that I'm gonna open first. In here, what is this? So it has this one. I think this is like to cover the camera. This is what the pouch looks like. Very nice, very sleek design. And then when you open, it has all these stuff inside. This is the actual camera, guys. This is the camera. Oh! Okay, so this is the camera.
You want a new camera again? Mm-hmm. No?
What is this? Okay, so this is the tripod, and you screw that on here. This camera comes with everything, and then now you can sit the camera down. This is the mic attachment. I really am excited about this one. This is gonna take my video sound quality to the next level. Jeez. My ugly brother is here.
Oh, now I'm showing myself. Hey, what up?
Okay, so this last piece is, I don't know. Oh, this is a camera lens. Okay, that's way too advanced for me right now, so I'm just gonna put that right back where I found it. I always find these things so satisfying. Alright, so let's turn it on. I never read any type of instructions, guys, so I'm going to wing this. Okay, so I guess the right button here is gonna turn it on. Ooh, it's facing me. Like it was facing that way, now it's facing me. Okay, so let's see what this is about. Now if I turn, okay, so it says English. Alright, let's set this up together, okay? So I'm gonna select English. Scan barcode to download. Connect camera into, okay, so I'm gonna connect it to my phone. Okay, so when you scan that barcode, it takes you here, your own features, and then it takes you to your app store so you can download the app. Okay, so when you open the app, you agree to the terms and conditions, And then join project, allow. I just want to allow everything. Okay, so now it's trying to connect the Osmo to my phone. So I'll go connect, accept, create, allow access, and also has a charger. And in the bag, everything has its space. Even, oh, what's this? Okay, I think I definitely have, because this is a tiny little piece that I have no idea what this is. I would have to read these things to figure out what they are. Every little thing has its space in the bag. Like this one comes from here. And then you have the lens here. Everything has a space, which I really love. So to start recording vertically, you're gonna flip this here and it will start recording. And yeah, and then to stop, I think you just flip it back. It's supposed to be one hand. Flip, flip. Yeah, I'm really excited about this. I'm going on vacation to Miami and I plan on vlogging the whole trip. So this is gonna be so slick because I can just record myself and not like have a bulky camera walking around the streets, feeling awkward and stuff. And this is gonna even like, you know, like little errands that I would love to vlog or like events and things like that. This is gonna be so easy. Oh, I'm really, really excited. Okay, oh my god, it's the image is so clear. I'm filming from the camera right now. I put a SIM card in there and I feel like the image is so clear. It's like, you know, you see the wide angle. I love this. And then I don't know, maybe if I flip it this way. Okay, so right now I think I'm filming vertically. Or is it horizontally? But yeah, you can film like both ways, which is perfect because you can take your Instagram and your TikTok shots from here. You can also take your YouTube shots from here. So that's really, really cool. Oh my God. Like the video quality is amazing. It's really amazing. I love this so far. But I have to figure out how to put in the microphone and like what the other little stuff are. And yeah, I think I might have to read some instructions here. But yeah, anyways, this is my little unboxing of the Osmo Pocket 3. I got the creator combo and it comes with all those little accessories that you saw. So that way you don't really have to outsource anywhere else. Everything is right in this one little box and this is so easy to go with. Like this is very travel friendly. I can just put this in my pocketbook and you know, I have a camera. I have everything I need. I have a camera, a tripod, what else? Like microphone, everything. Okay, all right. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. And yeah, I'll see you in my next one. Bye.